Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use the Google Play points to unlock the rewards for Brawl Stars. To do this, you will need to launch your Google Play Store. Let's go for and find the Brawl Stars in a search right here. Open the game and go for Get Items in the game with Play Points. Click on Learn More. Right here you can see the amount of your play points. You can also go for use. Now scroll down and find the Brawl Stars. And right here you can exchange the points for a specific amount of a cash coupon for the game. So my currency is PLN and it looks like this. For you it might be different. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.